This project is wheelchair controlling project, and here you can see the wheelchair and microcontroller board, and this is neck band. We have to keep like this, and it has one screw also. Every neck is not identical, that's what we have to fix it. So like this. So after switch on, we have to keep this entire thing in outside to get GPS signal. Once we will get GPS signal, then we have to start the operation. So here the components are GSM modem and Bluetooth module, and the LCD is there, relay board for driving DC motors, and Arduino Mega, and this is GPS, and here ultrasonic sensor. It is like this. You can put like this. Patient can show in whatever direction he want. He can show like this. So initially we have to, after GPS initializing, it is asking send a message to store mobile number. We have to store our mobile number like this. That mobile number is coming here. Yes. So after this, what you have to do? So on LCD it is showing temperature, and U means ultrasonic sensor, S means switch, that is for alert switch, and M for mode. On LCD you can see temperature, and ultrasonic is varying. So if distance is coming to 10 centimeter, then it is wheelchair automatically stop. Any sensor gets activated, then robo stops, and it sends SMS, then again it will start. So and there is M means mode, whether it is head mode or Bluetooth mode. So there is a switch is there. So if you press like this, then it is voice. Voice means Bluetooth mode, and if I press like this, then it is head mode. Okay, now it is in head mode, and one more switch is there. This is for alert switch. So S means that is respect to this switch. So here now it is in neckband mode. Now so if you press like this, so it is rotating. Okay, like this it is working. So according to switch pressings, so it will do front, back, left and right. Okay, but now the directions little bit changed. If we press front, it is going back, and back front. So that is we can twist our band from front to back, back to front, like this. That is physical facing around our neck. Sorry, మొత్తం పెట్ట ఫ్రంట్కి. Yeah, this is about neckband control. Coming to Bluetooth, so we have to so now I kept in Bluetooth mode. So in Bluetooth mode we have to open any kind of Bluetooth apps. Here we are using so many Bluetooth apps. Here we are using S2 terminal. So we have to go to Bluetooth, and initially we have to do pairing. So while pairing, it is showing this number first time. Next time onwards it is showing HC05. chocolate capacitor. So once done, then we have to go to any Bluetooth app. Here I am choosing S2 terminal. So we can use any other Bluetooth apps also. So in Bluetooth mode, if I give 8, then it is going front. Reset. So here I am using another app, that is BlueStick Control. This is easy for controlling. So open this, and in this we have to go to button mode. We have to do pair. This is 05. Then so you can see, if I press front, then it is going front. If I leave, then it is automatically leave. If I press back, then it is going backward. If I release, it releases. If I press left, it is going left. It is right. It is going front now. So if there is any obstacle is coming, then it is automatically off. Okay. So then at the same time it is sending SMS also. We can see that SMS in mobile. I can't show that. Why? Because now I am operating app. So, and also SMSs are also coming to my mobile, but I will close this app and I will show that. Yes, SMSs are coming like this. So distance, if it is less than 10 centimeter, and distance along with Google Map, it is coming. Now we will see temperature rising. Now I want to show the temperature rising. So I will use soldering rod. So like this. On LCD you can see, whenever it crosses 50 degrees, now 72, that means we can see SMS. The live SMS, it is sending directly. You can see high temperature. So in the same way, we can see so we will have alert switch by pressing it. So now it is microcontroller sending temperature. Why? Because now it is 52 degrees. Okay, now it is below 50 degrees. It allow another operation. If I press this, and on LCD it is showing switch on. You have to press and release. That means S for switch. That means alert switch. That SMS also we are getting, like switch on and SMS. Okay, like this it will operate. Here we have two modes: neckband mode and Bluetooth mode, and some temperatures, some sensors. Along with that, we will get SMS. And whenever ultrasonic sensor activates less than 10 centimeter, then it is automatically stopped.